Fortunately fortunate enough to know the name of every single thought invading every space. Yeah.